What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Klausner here. Today's November 5th, so one of my favorite movies there. V for Vendetta says, remember, the 5th of November. It is a B, today is a B schedule, sorry, and then it's a lighter week. Happy November, we got some birthdays. There's our quote, and remember the 5th of November. Take attendance. This is for the online learners, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do the quick do now. We'll do a review Jeopardy, and then there'll be a small quiz. So it's a little bit different for you online learners, but I'll give you those directions here in a moment. So remember, this is all the character traits and the things we're really trying to focus on. A little bit too fast. There we go. The big projects, again, we can say kudos to our Freckle champions for October and the assignments for the week. So this is due tomorrow, so be on the lookout. There are 2 assignments in Freckle. It takes about 30 minutes. And then there's the 1 worksheet, which is our weekly homework. Now, here's the do now. Some of you have already completed this, so go ahead. If you haven't, take a screenshot of this and then send it to me in an email so you have these 3 responses logged. And then this is a quick review of quadrants and the coordinate plane. This is what we would have gone over in class on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we'll do this review here, as well as how to subtract decimals. You got to line them up, the decimal points, and pad the zeros if they don't go all the way to the same place value. And then you subtract down. Here's a little quick refresher on how to find patterns. You're going to need to know this because we are playing in class. We're doing the Jeopardy quiz game, and it's got 6 categories, 5 questions each, so 30 questions. So it's a lot. And what I want you guys to do, and this is how we would set it up in the classroom, but what I want you to do is I'm going to attach the Jeopardy to this email and put it in here. So you are going to have access to the Jeopardy. Okay, what you need to do is you need to do all of the questions that are for the 300 level category. Okay, so you're going to send those back to me. You can either take a picture of your workbook or you can do it on a Google Doc, but that's what I need you to do, online learners. So, and if you want to do more, go for it, because that's kind of how it'll break down for the guys in the class. So we're going to do that today, and I'll send that on this email. After that, again, I'll give them time to work on the freckles, the freckle work, and the Luffy homework, and then it's cleaning up and going. So let me just share my screen. It should have jumped over. Let me try that again. There it is. So I think it worked, but there it is. And I had to crop my face in there, of course. So here's the board. These are the 6 categories: subtracting decimals, finding the pattern, naming the coordinate points, the random category, which you can go in, multiplication and division, and adding decimals. So for you all, because you're going to get this, you'll be able to see all the categories and all the dollar amount. You need to go to the $300 amount, and those are what you need to send to me. So here's the 101. There's, you line up those decimals. This would be in subtracting decimals. So that's how you do that. And now look, you guys are going to have the answers right there. So I don't expect you to, get anything wrong, but I don't want you to just look at the answers and copy and paste them over. I want you to actually practice them and give it a good shot. So here is the one I want you to do. So this is the $300 one. You're going to solve this in a notebook or on a Google Doc and then send it in response to this email that I'm sending out, the online learners. Okay, so I just want to make that very, very clear. All 5 of those, you don't have to do the random category, but you're going to send all 5 of those $300 questions back to me. And here are the rest of the questions and the answers. So if you want to get some more practice on completing the pattern or graphing coordinate points, please do be self-directed and do this on your own. If you feel confident about all these, then you're good to go. Just do the 300 ones, and I will see you guys. There will be no live sessions until Monday, and I'll probably send out the time then, okay? But I miss you guys. Hope everything is well. Hope you're staying safe, and let's go back to the big screen here and let me know if you have any questions. Email me, and Mr. Klausner signing out.